Yo, hey guys, Ken Perriman. I'm back again with another product, the Osimi Filtered Shower Head 20-stage shower filter combo. Rinse the shower filter. Cool. Okay, you got to do all that stuff. Let's see what comes in the here. Oh, it's got a bit of heft into it. So this is the filtered system. You do have, that's got some bling to it. It's got some shininess. So you'll put one of those bad boys in there, and then when you attach it to the faucet side, and then this will be probably from the nozzle side, and it's you can hear it. It's got particles in there. Probably got some charcoal pieces in there, betting probably some charcoal balls or something like that. This is going to do a lot of work filtering. Oh, okay, hold on. Is it a replaceable filter? I gotta be careful. I don't want to break whatever's in there. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, and there's right there. Oh, nice. Okay, so you get this bad boy that locks into here. The water will come in through here, come out through this end, and then filtered through the, yeah, okay. Then you lock this guy down, and pretty sure you got to give it a good little twist to make sure it locks in. Really cool. They give you an extra filter. Nice. All right. They also give you know what this is? This is that white tape that you flex around, pull and tighten around, and we'll show you when we get there, around the fittings that you're gonna screw this onto. Really nice. 2 finger holes to get the shower head out. Okay, yes, you got a nice shower head with, oh, very clickable detents to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different positions. You're covered. Okay. And then all you have to do is unscrew this and swap out your filter whenever it's time. And I'm sure it gives you a prescribed amount of time that you need to switch over to. Removes chlorine, heavy metals, and other harmful substances. So it reduces itchy skin, dandruff, eczema, and improves the condition of your skin, nails, hair, both in warm and cold water. 5 spray modes. That's exactly what we determined by clicking through that. 5 of the spray modes there. You have rain mode, massage mode, mist mode, that's interesting. Rain mist mode and rain massage mode. I'm guessing that the rain massage is a mix of the other two, right? And then the rain mist is obviously mist with rain. So you got a mix of the couple of the spray patterns and styles there. There it is, people. They've got everything covered in this. So there's nothing left to do but to actually go do it. Let's go ahead and put this on, and it will be relatively simple. Okay? All right, we'll check that out. So once again, we are back with the tape. We're gonna put a couple pieces or a couple spins on here, just because this is where the main water comes out. So make sure you keep it tight. All right, so keep this tight, keep the excess out of the way, and get you some purchase on here. There you go. That'll work. Now, what's nice, again, is we can go ahead and twist this on, and because of its size, you should be able to get this seated properly, right? Yeah, that feels pretty good. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. You just need to adjust this. Yep. We're gonna go ahead and give this shower head a good quick try. All right, let's check it out. Well, wish me luck. Let's push this over that way. And that's not bad, it's just not hitting the tub. Let's, can you see it? I hope so. Yeah. All right. That's got a lot of pressure. Wow. Okay, it's a mixture. Sorry, I gotta do that. It's spraying out a little bit. It's got a good fan on this one. One more shot. Ooh. Oh, that's a super fine mist. I really like that. That's where that spray is coming from. Yeah, it just switched over to warm water, it looks like. So without trying to, sorry, maybe back up there. Take a look at that. You can see, I don't know if you can see the cloud of mist. It's a very fine mist. It's kind of nice. I've not seen a shower head do that. I like this. So let me go ahead and just tell you that I feel that that pressure is more than adequate coming from that head. The original head that's on there, this guy right here, has a rain shower-esque style to it, but it wasn't rain showery. It was just a decent coverage of water, and it sprayed just through these nozzles, and there was no adjustment changes or whatever. This guy has 5, I believe, different selections, and they're all really kind of cool pattern-wise. I think it's really interesting of the patterns that they've selected to use. I like that fine mist thing. I think that would make you feel like, you know, if you want to take a nice cool shower and you just want to be drenched and just sprayed and feel like you're just being covered in water, that's going to be the one for you. Honestly, I'm about to take a shower anyway. I got to shave, a little scruffy, got to get ready for work in the morning. I'm going to take a shower here. Don't tell my wife, but I'm going to take a shower here. This is cool. I like it. And what's not to love about the fact that you got a good filter in there that's going to filter out all the impurities that come through your water line. I love the way that the head works itself, and then the added factor of filtering out stuff out of your water so you got good, clean, fresh water hitting you. So I really hope this was helpful for you. It's helpful for me, to be honest. I do appreciate your time, and you know what? I'm out of here to go take a shower. See ya.